welcome to vlog number 2. So quick rundown of what's happening this week. We have this beautiful Corvette Z06. It was once wrapped satin black, and I think this was done about 5 years ago. And he likes the satin black so much that he actually wants it unwrapped and then rewrapped in satin black, and we're also going to ceramic coat it to keep it looking fresh for a very long time. So Joseph, what are you doing here?
I'm doing the unwrapping of this beautiful Z06 just to wrap it back in the exact same thing. I'm not too sure as to why I didn't want to choose a different color, but it's okay, it looks clean. The reason as to why we are torturing ourselves in the 30-degree heat is because the vinyl is actually a lot easier to peel off when the heat is on it, right? But at the cost of my sweaty body.
Looks very sharp in the satin black. And then we're also going to be keeping some gloss black accents like on the mirrors here. Same thing on the side skirts, got some gloss black accents down there. But yeah, we got about half of the car unwrapped at this moment. It's coming off in one big nice piece. That's exactly what we want. Alrighty guys, so here we have a Tesla Model 3 that we actually wrapped a couple of months ago. It came back because the client was getting a ton of stone chips on the front end of his vehicle. Now with the car being originally white and obviously wrapped in satin black, when you get stone chips, it shows up as tiny white dots everywhere. It just did not look the best. So we actually decided to rewrap the front bumper and redo the hood as well. Now this time we're actually going to be protecting it with XPEL Stealth PPF to actually protect it against stone chips so that won't occur in the future. So this way the wrap itself will actually look nice and clean and pristine, and there will be no more defects or stone chips on the front end. So let's get to it.
This process is called glassing it out. Make it as smooth as possible.
Such a good teacher.
Get rid of all the wrinkles. It's basically wrapped already. Just running my finger along the body line to split up the bottom from the top. So I'm gonna squeegee this out and I'm gonna squeegee this out. First I'm gonna get this wet. Mostly because it's hard to see what you've wrapped already on satin. Yeah, start at the top. And just overlapping strokes, moderate pressure. And here, since we have kind of a mess of wrinkles, I'm gonna just heat it up a bit, and then glashing it out.
Oh, this roof has, I have bubbles coming out of my mouth, bro. This roof has fucking 2 gloss black strips on it, so we're just wrapping that to match the rest of the car. That's about it. Takes like 5-10 minutes. Boogity boogity.
While the guys are busy finishing up the Corvette Z06, we have this brand new Dodge Ram 2022 that we are fully protecting. That includes doing full exterior paint protection film as well as ceramic coating it. And so yeah, this way the truck is fully protected, won't get any stone chips, debris, damage, that sort of thing. So let's get to it.
Do you like working with Demetrius?
No. He's rude. And then he gets mad at me for stuff that he should do.
Does he get mad at stuff that is his fault?
Mm-hmm. And then he blames it on other people. Worse than Polio. Embarrassing.
Do you like working with Mio?
No,
Why not?
he just mocks me.
we are weeding the material so that we are left with the template. As you can see, it's starting to come alive and show its form. All we have left to do is one door and the roof and door handles, and then Dimmy is staying late to ceramic coat it.
Staying late.
He thinks he has a choice. As you can see behind me, Corvette's all complete. So we rewrapped it in 3M satin black. We also topped it off with the ceramic coating as well. So that's the full exterior. So the wrap, wheels, calipers, exhaust tips, windows, all got sealed and coated. So let's take a closer look at it. Still kept some of the gloss black accents throughout. Got the seal of approval, the Limitless license plate frame. Let's hear it. Looks as good as it sounds. So guys, let us know what you think in the comments below. Just like that, this truck is now complete. So we did full exterior paint protection film, also topped it off with ceramic coating as well. That means windows, wheels, all that good stuff. And also tinted the front windows as well. So if you want to get your vehicle protected, please let us know. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, do all that fun stuff. And we'll see you guys on the next vlog. Peace.